Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essentials so you can move fast. First, outline a 15-30-second arc. Hook, value, call to action. That guides every shot. Next, collect assets, vertical 9, 16 clips, photos, brand logo, and short captions, because consistent visuals speed editing. Finally, position your phone on a tripod or steady hand and check exposure and sound. This prevents reshoots and keeps the story tight and professional from the first take. Once you're rolling, shoot 3-5 quick clips that each deliver one idea. Aim for 3-7 seconds per clip so viewers stay engaged. While editing, trim ruthlessly, match color across shots, and stabilize shaky footage. Aligning cuts to music beats improves flow and keeps attention. Make sure to include readable captions and a sticker or arrow to highlight the CTA. This ensures viewers understand what to do next even with sound off, which matters for reach and completion rate. Now publish strategically. Choose your peak engagement window and add relevant hashtags or at mentions to increase discovery. Before you post, save a draft and preview on a small screen to confirm text size, contrast, and timing are clear. After posting, review story analytics the following day and note completion and reply rates. If performance lags, swap your CTA or try a different opening hook. Troubleshooting tip: if low completion persists, shorten the first clip or increase content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.